Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Chappie token. Ticker symbol is Chap, C-H-A-P. We're going to go over the information on the Chappie token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I just saw on Twitter this token pop up. It was a post from BitGet. Now, BitGet is a big central exchange, and it says, Chappie, the Chap token, is now available via MEGASwap. So there was a big announcement about this. It says Chappie is a dynamic community moderator bot seamlessly integrated with Telegram and Discord. It aims to revolutionize and disrupt the crypto community moderators industry. And it says this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. It is an ERC20 token, so most likely this token is also available on Uniswap, and I'm going to verify that here in 1 second. So MEGASwap, I've never used it specifically, but it is BitGet's decentralized trading product, it says, so that's where this token is available. They do have a step-by-step guide on how to use MEGASwap on BitGet's webpage, which you can find at bitget.com. And if you want to find support on how to use MEGASwap, just go to bitget.com/support, and they'll show you step-by-step how to get this token via MEGASwap on BitGet's decentralized trading exchange there. Now, if you want to find Chappie's Twitter, I'm going to put it up there in the corner there, at ChappieCM. It says, world's #1 crypto community moderator bot. They also have a Telegram also at ChappieCM as well. Now their Twitter has 3,467 followers, and there you go. So they also have it in their pinned tweet that they are now live on Uniswap. So basically how you can get this token is simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, then trade your Ethereum for the Chappie token using the contract address that you could easily find on their Twitter there, or you can find it on their webpage, I'm sure, which is chappie.io. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics there, or you can get it off MEGASwap. So those are two different ways you can get this token. Their Twitter just joined in July 2023, so this is a very brand new project, but they are very active, it looks like, on their socials, 103 posts so far. So yeah, before we get into the info here on this token, I'd just like to thank everybody who's been supporting on Patreon, who's been hitting the join button, who's been, leaving comments on the videos, all the regular supporters. Thank you very much to everybody who's been supporting this channel recently. I hardly ever give thank yous to everybody who supports, but you are noticed every single day. I do notice all the people commenting and saying check out this token or thanks for the info and all that type of stuff. So I appreciate y'all, and I just wanted to give a shout out to y'all, especially the Patreon supporters. And if you guys want to, if you like this channel, you like the daily information about what new tokens are coming out, support on Patreon, leave comments, hit the like button, or, even check out my Facebook page and those referral codes down there. All right, so integrated Telegram and Discord, world's first community moderator companion bot. So there's a button on their webpage. You can click Invite Chappie, and that's how you could start, using the bot here. So it says 15 plus crypto projects already onboarded, 2,000 plus interacted with Chappie so far, 50 plus crypto projects in discussion. It says every crypto project knows these challenges: unsustainable workloads, scaling limitations, time zone tribulations, inefficient responses, high human costs, language and cultural barriers. We make your life easier. 24/7 real-time engagement, intuitive learning amplifier, interactive storytelling at its best, robust data interpreter. Never go wrong with Chappie. We're revolutionizing crypto communities. So they have the self-evolving ingenuity, multilingual, advanced analytics report, knowledge powerhouse, accessible and easy to use, and human-like CM bots. So Chappie is your solution. 80% of the Web3 projects we spoke to said it is difficult to build and maintain connection with their community. What did the users say? And then they have these people who used it, like the CTO from Star Capital and the community lead from whatever this guy's from, and they left their opinions saying that they like Chappie and whatnot. Now they do have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1 is going to be team creation, formation or foundation building, prototype creation, develop the referral program, release the web portal. Phase 2 is going to be introduce a lifetime premium access, develop the Chappie rating, release Chappie artificial intelligence supporting bot, multilingual moderators launch, premium license protection. Phase 3 is going to be Chappie NLP model, introduce Chappie insights, external integration with quick hire Chappie, Chappie rating enhancement. Then phase 4 is going to be Discord integration, AI community outreach service release, swap and stake in Chappie. Now at the very bottom of their webpage, you can find contact information in case you need to contact somebody. You can also find a, looks like a link to their Git book, which will take you over to a Google document. Kind of just skimming through it, there's a little bit more information. It shows you kind of like, it says here, like how Chappie would work. It says, "Hi Nelly, welcome to Chappie community. I'm Chappie, your best community moderator. How can I assist you today?" And then it says, "Does anyone have Chappie's Twitter?" And then it says, "Yes, this is the link for Chappie's Twitter." And then it shows, "When's the launch? We are going to launch the Chappie token on," and then it just shows you how Chappie would work if you're going to use it. So it's self-evolving ingenuity, multilingual. It's kind of their document section almost is similar to the webpage, but there's just a little bit more. It shows how it's superior to something like GenieBot, and how GenieBot only does a few things, and ChappieBot is like, say, multilingual, where GenieBot is not, and there's a few other things here. And then it shows how Chappie is better than a human CM, superior to that. So it says buy and sell taxes. Now it has 4%. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you'll have to set your slippage around 4%. 1% development, 1% stakers, 1% marketing, 1% buyback and burn. Total supply 1 billion tokens. It's an Ethereum token. 70% of the tokens go to fair launch, 30% reserve. And yeah, that's about it. So I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Chappie and the Chappie token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Chappie? Hit the like button, check out the referral codes, support on Patreon, all that good stuff that I mentioned earlier. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.